Hello everyone and welcome to our webcast on hygienic textile washing in times of SARS CoV-2, which is part of our coronavirus webcast series. My name is Sofia Stratidou and I'm a trainer at the Sales and Service Academy. Please consider that the following information is the current status of July 2020. All following information and findings are constantly being updated by experts, as global research in these fields is ongoing and continuing. Kindly make sure to constantly check for updates, especially if it comes to regulations in your country. All information given is collected and based on expertise and research provided by various company departments. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your sales support. Today we will talk about hygienic textile washing and the wash recommendation for microfiber textiles that you can find e.g. on scrubber dryers or steam cleaners. Cloths are very complex when it comes to their structure. They're having an irregular surface structure in which germs can hide easily. And textiles also contain mainly particulate soil. Soil can also be from picking up from a surface, e.g. dust or grains. And on the picture, you really see how irregular this structure actually is. For most of the tools, a textile will ultimately touch the surface and do the job. Here we're having two components of which textiles are made. The first one is natural fibers, such as viscose or cotton. The second one is synthetic fibers, such as polyester, polyamide, polypropylene, and latex coating. And like I said, today we will talk about microfibers. And microfiber is actually a mixture of synthetic fibers. When you're using a microfiber cloth, it is extremely important to immerse the microfiber cloth once completely in the disinfectant solution so it is covered evenly. Remove the cloth after the use and wash with at least 60 degrees. To reduce the multiplication of microorganisms, they must be dried in a dryer at a maximum of 60 degrees. But why is an effective and hygienic daily laundry of cleaning textiles so important? Fine splittings of the fibers, dirt and debris can be embedded in the fibers, causing scratches on the surface the next time you're cleaning. Residual organic matter can cause unpleasant smell when stored damp. Virus and bacteria can be spread to the other surfaces if cloths and mops are reused without hygienic washing. And please do not use a steam cleaner to disinfect cleaning textiles. The right way here is to disinfect cloths with a high temperature program on the washing machine and to have over 60 degrees. If you think about it, for example, SARS CoV-2 is killed at 56 degrees. And always use laundry detergent. And how should you treat cloths when they were used in targeted areas? Here, an effective and hygienic daily laundry service is critical. The customer should have access to laundry facilities either in-house or via contract. Cloths should be collected in a closed container and separated from other textiles. And if you do not have access to laundry, we are recommending a low-cost alternative or single-use microfiber textiles that you can throw away in a closed container. Now, what are the steps to effectively wash microfiber textiles? Here we're having actually 5 steps: the pre-rinsing, pre-washing, main washing, rinsing, and drying. And now let's have a look how every step looks like. The first step is, like I said, the pre-rinsing. During the pre-rinse, we're having a high water level using only cold water. This helps to lose particulate soil, soluble soil, and residual cleaning chemicals that can be quickly rinsed out. Then we're having the second step, the pre-wash. During the pre-wash, we're having a low water level at 30 degrees. This is a preparation step for the main wash and is further reducing soil. Then we're having the main wash. Here we recommend a temperature between 60 to 90 degrees and the use of neutral or slightly alkaline laundry detergent. Please avoid products with optical brighteners. For hygienic washing, always also please make sure to consult local guidelines in your country. And important is that you do not use chlorine bleach for disinfection with microfiber materials, as this will damage the material. The fourth step is the rinsing. The number of rinses has to be as high as possible. And here we are also removing residual detergents that could damage the textile structure during the drying process. During the drying, we should not exceed a temperature of 55 to 60 degrees, and this is also the recommendation from most suppliers. Drying should be done at as low as possible temperature, as this is one of the most important prerequisites for a long lifetime of the cloths and mops that are made out of microfiber material. So what you have seen now is that a hygienic wash process actually depends on 4 factors: the temperature, the time, the laundry detergent, and the water level. Keep in mind that wash cycles, which are neither hot nor long enough, will not be able to fully destroy the potentially infectious bacteria and viruses. And always, if you're unsure, consult your laundry machine supplier for best practices with the machine available, as older machines sometimes are not able to build up the required temperature, so please make sure to check it out. Also, if you want to educate yourself further, we inserted some guidelines that you can obtain and read them carefully. The wrong handling can reduce the durability and function of microfiber materials. The following conditions that you will see in a minute can lead to reduced lifetime and cleaning properties of textiles. Here we're having 2 big factors: A, chemicals, and B, temperature. So which chemicals, or what is important when it comes to chemicals to not use it? First of all, you should not exceed a pH value of 10.5 during the wash process. Chlorine bleach should be avoided, as this will damage the fiber material. Also, zeolites should be avoided, as they can be embedded in the fibers and scratch surfaces. Softeners, especially in combination with high temperatures, can destroy the fibers. After we have talked about the chemicals, let's have a look at the temperature. Drying should be done at a max of 60 degrees, and the drum temperature should not exceed 95 degrees, as this can lead to the melting of fibers. For more information about other coronavirus-relevant cleaning topics, please follow the other webcasts in this series. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your sales support. And here you also find an overview of further episodes in the Coronavirus Webcast series. Feel free to have a look at them. Thank you very much for your attention.
Cashier makes a difference.